This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the starter on a John Deere X320 from 2006 with a Kawasaki 22 horse motor. So this thing made it 16 years and 2,400 hours, and now the starter is to the point that when the key is turned, it needs to be whacked down here before it'll kick in. So this hot chick I know said, hey, rather than coming over and hitting my starter with a hammer every time, will you replace that for me? So she went on Amazon, bought a new starter. I'm here to replace it this morning. It's a very easy process. We're going to start by taking off the bolt on the negative terminal, so we disconnect the battery. And then down here on the starter itself, we just have two bolts, one on this side, one on this side. I'll remove those bolts and take the starter assembly out first, and then it's easier for me to get access to these bolts on the bottom of the solenoid. So this should just take a couple of minutes. We're about 3 minutes in. The negative is off the battery. The starter is out. It was two bolts that take a 12mm socket. And now I'll disconnect the connections down here on the bottom of the solenoid, slap the new one in, and she'll be back in action. It's been about 10 minutes. The new starter is in. The wires are hooked up. The battery is back on. The starter is installed. And anytime I put in a new component, I put the date on it. So whoever gets here next will know how long that thing has been there when they're doing their troubleshooting. And the battery terminal is back where it belongs. Now it's time to push in the pedal. Listen to it crank. And it does exactly what it's supposed to, so we'll call this one a success. I hope this little video helped you, and have a great day.